Hi, I'm Mary Hing. I'm one of the master teachers for the VEST course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Excel spreadsheets as a PDF file. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on File. There's two ways to do this. Most of the Excel spreadsheet software will say Save as PDF. Sometimes what you can do is print as a PDF, and I'll show you both ways. So the first thing you want to do is save as Adobe PDF. You want to do it by sheet because we want to see each sheet individually. So add all the sheets. You want to fit to paper width. So that makes sure that all of your data is on one page. So each sheet is on one page. And then you're going to click on Convert. It'll ask you to save the file. This is where you save it in the format that you're supposed to. Okay, and here it is. You see there's your data table sheet. If you go to the next page, there's your graph, and there's your final data page, which has your answers for your questions. Okay, so now let me show you how to do it when you print. So the next thing you do is print. And instead of printing to the printer, you want to print to the Adobe PDF. You want to print active sheets and then print. When it does that, you'll get a little blinking icon for your printer. You're going to click on that, and I'm going to save this as second. I'm going to type in second here so I know that it's the second one. Okay, and here you go. You'll see that it does take the sheet and puts it over 3 pages. And notice it only gives you the one. So you have to do this with each sheet. So you'll go to here and you'll do the same thing. Print. It should be already as a PDF. And then you can call this graph along with your name. And there you go. Now you may want to move the graph over so that you can get it all on one page. See, here it's on 2 different pages. Okay, but as long as we get it, we're good. So please make sure that when you're doing this that you don't just put, I'll show you one of the mistakes that students make. Actually, I don't know that I can do that here because I have this on my OneDrive. But a lot of times students will put save as and they'll just put the PDF at the end. That's not going to change the formatting. Okay, you have to actually save it as a PDF or print it to a PDF. If you have any questions about the formatting or how to get your Excel spreadsheet to give you what you need, so you can always move it over, then please let your master teacher know if you have any questions or give me a message.